Hello lovely people and welcome to my channel. We made this bathroom vanity of the old TV cabinet and I would like to show you how I achieved the look on the left with blending technique using Sloan chalk paint. I also used a brush for each color and a clean, soft brush for blending, a mister bottle, and a white wax to finish. To start, I have painted the whole piece with the white undercoat and let it dry overnight. Normally, I apply a darker color on outside with the light one in the center. Important tip for achieving the best result when blending: better use a very light hand and keep the surface moist. On the right side, you can see how it looks after the first coat. Applying the second coat, I am repeating the process again. A tip: painting the piece with the white undercoat gives me a better perspective of how to use my colors. Also, light colors look more vibrant on the light undercoat. I am blending in the different directions until the blending is smooth. Then I dry brushed the high points with the Country Grey and applied the white wax to the whole piece. I also made the molding using a clay. It's a fun and easy process, and I will show how to do it in the other video. And I repeated the same process on the mirror. Dry brushing highlights the high points and makes them standing out. Here, how it was before and how it looks now. Thank you for watching. If you are interested to watch more videos with many fun techniques using chalk paint, please subscribe.